Cpap 26 here, just in tips and repairs and hobbies. This little brush, you can get it in a 3-pack, 4-pack. You get on Amazon. I'm telling you, they work really super good. I'm going to try to show you with that in a minute, so hang on. Here's the top of the machine and watch. Look at that. Cleans it right up. On this side, cleans it right up. In the front, cleans the screen off. Really nice. And the bonus is, I'll show you in a minute. Inside the Cpap there, you just go like this with the brush. Cleans it right out. You need this for your Cpap to put a new filter in. So that's what I want to show you today. This little brush is a great little time saver. Get yourself some. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.